Hello guys, so today I'm working on my 2019 Toyota Highlander. I'm changing cabin air filter. So first, open this. You see this latch right here? This one right here. Let's pull it out, right? So there you go, that come out. Now, like this. I'm gonna grab these two right here from the both side and then press it down to press towards you and it comes out like that. Alright, this is simple. Then the cabin air filter is located right here. See that? There's a clip. Just pull it towards you from here, right? It's already out, and this one is right here. There you go. That comes out. Now you're gonna take this clip out. See this clip? You have to press it from the both end, okay? See this right here? And then one right here. You press it like that. And then it come out, okay? So, hold on a second. Hold this. Can you... There you go. That's out. And this is your filter. Look at the position. See, it says up. That's how the same direction has to go. Oh, man, this is dirty. So that's the new filter. I just got it from the dealer. See right here. Make sure it's the same thing. I'm just gonna compare it. Yeah, it's the same thing, right? Same again. Same direction. See this up. Right here, just slide it in. Okay. Then take this, I'm gonna snap back in. Close that. Take this. There you go. Then take this latch. Okay, that's done. Close. Go. Thank you for watching.